Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in YouTube Studio. Click Audio Library and make sure you're signed into the channel account you'll publish from. Once there, filter by duration, mood, or license so you only see tracks that match your project and legal needs. You should preview multiple files. Don't pick the first one unless it fits. Note the license column. If it says attribution required, copy the exact credit text now. This short prep prevents headaches later and speeds the rest of the workflow. You download the highest quality file available, keep the original file name, and import it into your editing timeline immediately. Once imported, place the music on its own audio track so you can edit independently. Align it with your cuts and narration. Make sure to add fades and sidechain or duck the music under speech. This preserves intelligibility. You should also apply subtle EQ to avoid clashing frequencies. After mixing, export a draft and watch to confirm timing and emotional impact. You paste the attribution text into the video description exactly as provided, including punctuation and links if required. This satisfies license conditions. Then upload the final video, set visibility, and let YouTube process it. Once processing finishes, check the Content ID and copyright sections in YouTube Studio for claims. If a claim appears, read its details. Sometimes it's informational. If it wrongly blocks monetization, gather proof of the library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.